Welcome to homework.
So in this question, we talked about the one of the emission line of an hydrogen atom has wavelength in 93.07 nanometer. So we asked in what region of the electromagnetic spectrum is this emission found? Okay, so of course this is outside of the visible region because it's below 400. So this is going to be in the UV region. Okay, then the next question wants us to determine the initial and the final value of n associated with this emission. So we provided an answer to A. Then we want to determine the initial and the final value. So how do we go about it? So we can use the minus hc over lambda to be equals to minus 2.18 times 10 to the power minus 16 joules multiplied by 1 over n final square minus 1 over n initial square. So Hc is the Planck's constant, and what we just need to know is n high and n hef. Okay, so we can then say Hc, because negative we cancel negative, Hc over lambda divided by 2.18 times 10 to the power minus 16 joules is equals to 1 minus 1 over n initial square. Okay, and that is if we assume that the n final is equals to if we assume that the n final is equals to 1. It's just an assumption. Okay, so we can then say that 1 over n initial square is equals to, and this is going to be like negative, is equals to hc over lambda into 2.18 times 10 to the power minus 16 joules minus 1. Okay, so then we can rearrange. I'll just put that here. So if we rearrange, we're gonna have n high square is equals to 1 minus hc over lambda 2.18 times 10 to the power minus 18 raised to the power minus half. Okay, so then we can solve for n high, and that will be if we substitute the values of hc to be 6.626 times 10 to the power minus 34 times 3 times 10 to the power 8, and this is meter seconds, and this is joule seconds, divided by the lambda, which is the wavelength 93.07 nanometers, so that's times 10 to the power minus 9 meter, multiplied by 2.18 times 10 to the power minus 18, whole into minus half. Okay, so if you punch a calculator, this n high should be 6.626 times 10 to the power minus 34 times 3 times 10 to the power 8 divided by 93.07 times 10 raised to the power minus 9 times 2.18 times 10 raised to power minus 18. 1 minus answer. Then square root of answer. Then 1 divided by this. So this is 7.02. So hand high is equals to 7 and hand finer is equals to 1.